Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to go through how you mute the sound on Windows Video Editor. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the video editor. Okay. So this is actually part of Windows, say the photos on Windows. So it's opened on my other screen. If I can just bring it across. Okay, so I'm just going to pick some, the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create a new project. Okay, so it'll ask me for a name, it should. Been a little bit on the slow side, not sure why. Okay, that's a new project. How to mute the sound on a video. Okay, so this is our new one. So I'm going to pick some random video that I've already done. So I'm just going to say from my PC. Let's have a look here now. Okay, so hopefully it'll open them. So let's just pick anyone. Doesn't really matter, does it? Pick this one, don't know what it is. Okay, so I'm going to click open. Okay, so it should add it up here. Okay, so there's two ways you can get it. You need to get it on your storyboard down here. So you can either right click it and place it on the storyboard, because if you have multiple ones, or you can just simply drag it and put it there. So now it's on it. Okay, so once I click play, it'll start playing. I do not really want the sound, so I'm going to switch off the sound. So click play. Just wait till it starts playing. Not even sure which video I actually picked. Okay, so if it'll actually play. So I'm just going to go at how you actually mute the sound, since it seems to be quite slow. So if you go down to this little button here, adjust volume on the video. So if you click this, and you can turn it down, or you can switch it off completely. So if you actually put it to this, now the sound is completely gone. So if we turn it up,
And your converted amounts on Binance. So how you can.
So I'm not sure if you can actually hear my voice there, but that's actually how you do it. So once this is down here, if you have multiple different videos here on your storyboard, you're going to need to turn all of the sound off in each of them individually. Okay, so once you do that, you can click pause. I don't need to anymore. So next thing, you can click finish video. Okay, so you can put your settings you want. So I'm going to click export and choose your location where you want. So I'm just going to pick here, thumbnails. Probably not the right place, not where I'd normally put it. So now it's going to export it. But once it exports it here now, there will be no sound on that video, and that's basically on how you mute the sound using Windows Video Editor. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do whatever I can to answer them. Thank you.